The civilized Indian.
What is this मोदी की गारंटी? मोदी की गारंटी मतलब विकसित भारत की गारंटी। मोदी की गारंटी मतलब सरकार की टाइम बाउंड डिलीवरी। मोदी की गारंटी मतलब सामाजिक न्याय और गरीब कल्याण पर डिलीवरी। मोदी की गारंटी मतलब ईज ऑफ लिविंग या ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की व्यापक बढ़ोतरी।
बल्कि विदेशों में भी डंका बज रहा है। यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स के प्रेसिडेंट ऑटोग्राफ मांगते हैं, एल्बनीजी बॉस कहते हैं और प्राइम मिनिस्टर जेम्स पैर छूते हैं। हाईएस्ट सिविलियन ऑनर भी मिलता है, सिविलियन ट्रेडिशन का ऑनर भी होता है। तब इनके पास कोई बात नहीं बचती है।
And perhaps Prime Minister Modi is the only leader who's working tirelessly to strengthen the nation and national interest, and therefore there was no shift or any transition. It was an easy amalgamation of people who are working in the process of nation building and national interest.
Here is the Prime Minister front and center, as always is India. And let me also show him one more picture as to why anchors were so excited about the G20, because here is a picture of Prime Minister Manmohan Singh at the G20. You can see him, second row, all nondescript, perhaps facing some domestic issues at home. And here is the Prime Minister leading the Quad, Prime Minister Narendra Modi leading the Quad, front ahead leading Joe Biden and other countries including the Japanese.
Congress is not a mohabbat ki dukaan, it is actually a gali galoch ki dukaan. They have abused Prime Minister over 95 times. They keep abusing his Garib Prashtbhumi, they keep abusing his caste, his parents. They have said maut ka saudagar, kabr khudegi, Modi ki, Hitler ki maut malega. And now today, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge has invoked the parents of the Prime Minister. This is not a coincidence. Actually, whoever abuses Prime Minister Modi gets a promotion in Congress. And therefore, Mr. Kharge, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, all of them keep abusing Prime Minister.
First of all, Navika, there were two pictures today that came out. One was of Swagatam of PM at the BJP headquarters and the other one was of Matam. Swagatam versus Matam. Mission and vision that does G20 and builds world consensus, and then there is ambition, position, contradiction, which is only beyond we want 20. One is G20, one is we want 20. On one hand, you have Prime Minister Modi, whose guarantee has not only worked in the state elections, but it continues to work. And what is this Modi ki guarantee, which is music to our ears? It is Sargam. Sargam means Samajik Nyay, Arthik Vikas, R for the manner in which we are doing Rashtra Niti, G for Garib Kalyan, and M for Mahila Sashktikaran. It is Modi ki guarantee that is working, and that is why these results are coming.
तो इसका मतलब ये है कि जो भी कार्य मोदी जी ने और भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने किए हैं पिछले 18 वर्षों में, ये दिखाता है ये परफॉर्मेंस और डिलीवरी हुआ है। तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो है जुमलेबाजी करने में मैं मोदी जी को नंबर 1 घोषित करता हूँ। बहुत अच्छी जुमलेबाजी करते हैं, पर जमीन पे क्या हकीकत है वो आम आदमी से पूछिए।
क्या गलती कर दिया मैंने? ऐसी क्या गलती है मेरी? बताइए मुझे।
मैंने कहा हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है। मेरा ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें,